is a soul and it's precious to God. God is not willing that any should perish. He loves everyone and so must we. A soul is a soul and it's precious to God.